Door open and close ASMR creates a calming and familiar sensory experience. The gentle creak of hinges feels slow, soft, and intentionally unhurried. Each movement produces a subtle sound that feels safe and comforting. The quiet click of a door closing signals privacy and peace. This sound often triggers feelings of security and relaxation. In door sounds help ground the listener in the present moment. The rhythm of opening and closing encourages mental stillness. It feels like entering a calm space away from noise and stress. Soft door sounds are perfect for sleep, meditation, or winding down. They blend naturally with ambient room tone and silence. The sound carries a sense of routine and gentle order. It reminds the mind of quiet evenings and restful spaces. Slow door movements reduce tension and overthinking. The sound is clean, minimal, and deeply satisfying. Door open and close ASMR supports relaxation through simplicity. It helps the body feel settled and emotionally at ease.